Let us think for the country. When we think of the country, it's inclusive of all of us. We also win and the country also win.
We are the solution sellers. We are creating solutions, selling around the globe. We are the supporters for the globe. We are thinking about the globe.
Together we can get a bigger chunk of the market. Next 10 years are for us. India is going to be in a different level.
In the industrious heart of Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, a city known for powering India's growth in engineering, textile and manufacturing, we are here today everyone to celebrate the legacy of innovation, precision and resilience.
Today we at Machine Maker, in collaboration with our 8 partners, Brother Machinery, Fager Automation, Fenwick and Ravi, Losma, UCAM, Volaptor, Zeiss Industrial Metrology and Zoller, are proud to bring the second edition of Manufacturing Maestros to this vibrant city, honoring the people behind the machines and the stories that often go untold. To mark the auspicious beginning of this evening, we will start with light lamping. Please come on stage our esteemed Chief Guest Commodore B. Balasundaram, Director, Center for Indigenization and Self-Reliance, Indian Navy; Kurt Michael Stoll, Deputy Chairman of the Board, Festo; D.K. Sharma, Past President, TAGMA India; D. Shanmugasundaram, Vice President, TAGMA India; Amit Salunke, General Manager, Zoller India; Muthu Shekhar, Chairman, Organizing Committee and COO, Hailstone Innovations; and Hari Shankar, Founder and Managing Editor, Machine Maker.
Now, I would like to call Mr. Muthu Shekhar, the Chairman, Organizing Committee and CEO of Hailstone Innovation, to share his welcome address with us.
Vanakkam Coimbatore. Coimbatore is known for entrepreneurship. Coimbatore is known for machining. It's known for manufacturing. It's known for women empowerment, also for innovation. Machine Maker walks the talk in supporting MSMEs, manufacturing companies and supporting companies by such meetings, discussions, learning platforms from the masters.
Now, we would like to felicitate our Chief Guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram. We would now felicitate our special guests, H.K. Sridhar, Managing Director, Vidhatri Technologies Private Limited; Arvind Chawla, Director, MEPL Sidhotam; Ramji Singh, Managing Director, Shmarshal India; Shrikant Bairagi, Managing Director, Argo Hydos; Anwar J. Varadaraj, Executive Director, LG Equipments; D. Shanmugasundaram, Vice President, TAGMA; Williams R.J., Managing Director, Hailstone Innovations; D.K. Sharma, Past President, TAGMA India; and Muthu Shekhar, COO, Hailstone Innovations. Now we'll be calling our Chief Guest, Commodore B. Balasundaram, on stage and to share his inspiring words.
Manufacturing is the backbone of the growth of any country. In that one, Coimbatore takes the lead in this country, where it is not propelled by the government, where the people propel this motion, and the Coimbatore today is there because of the people of Coimbatore. The Coimbatore has been brought up to this level by the people of Coimbatore. It is not pushed by any external forces. It was there within the people of Coimbatore, and they taken Coimbatore to the highest level possible in this country. As we speak today, you are aware, okay, what are the things that happened in the past month and a half, how we performed, how we excelled. it's all because of the indigenous content and the reliable quotient what we got it from our country. The success of geosynchronous launch vehicles, Agni series missiles, along with the BrahMos, the nuclear submarine, okay, it has been publicly announced now, okay, the second one also out, and we are going to the various programs in the future also. So all those things are not coming from one place or two places. It is coming from varied places from across the country. In that one, Coimbatore plays a big role, very big role and vital role in getting those strategic things into our arsenal. Let us work together to build future where manufacturing is the source of pride, prosperity and environmental responsibility to all of us.
Manufacturing Maestros is nothing but precision, and I am standing here only because a couple of people who believed in India before 30 years, before 40 years, but today if I am standing in front of you, that is because of those entrepreneurs whom I feel the fighters, if the soldiers who are there in the border who is fighting for us, there are all those manufacturers, MSMEs, SMEs, large or big scale manufacturers are freedom fighters for me who are building manufacturing in this country. My religion is manufacturing. If Vikasit Bharat will only happen when each and every manufacturer sitting who are here will become the leader of this country. So this is what Manufacturing Maestros is all about.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to honor our manufacturing maestros, leaders who have made an indelible mark in this industry.
It's a great opportunity. So like these programs will motivate the entrepreneurs to achieve more.
So I want all our manufacturers in India, they should compete global market with the high-tech, high-precision tools, using high tools and making good components for the global market.
I can imagine whether it is Maestros or all my friends over here, irrespective of the external environment, they have stayed focused on becoming competitive. They have made their scale global, or they are making the scale global.
Very excellent opportunity for us. So this is a starting point for us. We can improve further.
It's a very great honor. It will definitely improve ourselves. Thank you.
Our first opportunity as a company to be part of the Manufacturing Maestros. So this is very happy to see a very big hall filled with people, chairs being rushed in at the last minute. So it was great. So thank you everyone for coming today. And also I think this is 20 years association with sir. So congratulations to you, sir. Thank you everyone.
It's a fantastic initiative and congratulations to each one of the Manufacturing Maestros.
It's a proud moment for us. Let us all think beyond ourselves. Let us think for the country. When we think of the country, it's inclusive of all of us. We also win and the country also win. That is the message I want to share.
It's a really proud moment to see some of the winners here. The one thing that I'd leave you with is, as part of recognizing this milestone for yourselves, please think about your suppliers and think about how you can elevate them so that they'll be on a similar stage tomorrow, because that's truly what sharing the wealth is, to be able to spread the entrepreneurship.
I'm glad that Sir took a decision about 15 years back and put the onus on us to see that the equipment is running so well. And once an entrepreneur buys a machine, it is the onus of OEMs like us, Zeiss and others, to see that we support him in his journey to make him successful. And I'm glad that we have been able to do that and also honor him. So thank you so much. And I would like to first thank my grandfather who sowed a friendship in Germany, which is even today, it's now almost 82 years old, and
the grandson of my grandfather's best friend, who's the founder of Festo, and his great-grandson are also among us here. Both of them are here. Big thank you to both of you that you both are here. Next, I would like to thank, of course, my father, who continued that friendship and sowed that friendship and strengthened it. And thereafter, I would like to thank two more people. One is no more with us, and he was instrumental in this institute being built, because he took me to Germany and made me undergo a 3.5-year apprenticeship, and that is Mr. Hermann Weiler, without whom I won't be what I am today. And I also would like to thank Dr. Kurt Stoll, Kurt Michael Stoll's father, who spent 9 months under my grandfather in 1951, and he always says, I learned creativity and innovation with your grandfather. And after I finished my training in Weiler, he took me to Festo and he taught me what creativity and innovation is about. And his simple formula was, put yourself in the shoes of your end user or customer. Listen to what they have to say and create solutions for them. And that's exactly what I have done. And a big thank you to all my customers.
These are the programs that, uplift the spirit. And I hope that the youngsters get drawn to this, mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering field. Because as all of us know, this is not a field that's being chosen by the youngsters. So the programs like this, the unsung heroes like this, and the work that they do, I hope that this will attract the talent back to this industry.
Initially, we never had other choices basically, because more than a machine building partner, we are looking like the contribution what he has and his firms has been done for the increasing the workforce, especially the skilled workforce and the legacy what he was holding. So it's proud and privilege for us.
My heroes are sitting there. When I started my career, I used to visit Mr. Aruchami sir's factory. I think now I have to introduce. They are all my heroes. So among them, I am also taking this award. This is a very big honor for us. Thank you.
Our country is growing the next level. Next level, which means we are the solution sellers. We are creating solutions, selling around the globe. We are the supporters for the globe. We are thinking about the globe right now. So this kind of initiatives from Hari's side is leveraging to all our Indian to global level.
A very interesting thing about ELR exports is every 2 years I see that there is a new business that is starting. So that's when we started off, there was sheet metal, then there was a foundry, now there's a wonderful machine shop which is set up. So I see they're growing leaps and bounds, and I congratulate them for this and wish them all the best for future. Thank you.
I'm very happy to receive this honor. I am also thank Machine Makers team for this very good initiative, and it encourages to keep doing better. And thank you so much.
It was a very inspiring session for me, and I'm sure all of us have learned a lot and gained a lot of inspiration from this. Thank you so much.
Basically, this is a very good experience, and I can say first time after a long time I saw some event, no PPT. And generally I hate PPT. There is a reason I can say this is really good. So thank you, Hari, for having an innovative idea.
It's an opportunity. I see this opportunity, see all the industry giants in a nice place.
And thank you so much for all the arrangements. Thank you, sponsors.
Together we can get a bigger chunk of the market, and the opportunity like next 10 years are for us. India is going to be in the different level.
Every house in Coimbatore is a manufacturing company, because when I drive through the small aisles of the roads, I look at left and right and I see there is somebody winding the motors at home, the women's, and then I ask my colleague what is they doing. He says the manufacturing. Go to the next house, there is something else. So it's another manufacturing city. So congratulations to everyone.
I would like to thank my family, specifically my mom and dad. I think they pledged everything for me for where I am being here right now. So I should thank them first.
A new concept of this machine maker is really exciting for me, that there is a space for us to exhibit what is our talent. So there are so many leaders here, and I've been looking at the stories of different areas, even if it is just 1.5 minutes. It's very, very unique. Very unique. Everybody is not the same. Each one is in a different field and they have their own strength.
So we've been very lucky that we have a very good business with a partner with the Eurocast. The first Coimbatore Indian-made brother machine has been purchased by Eurocast, and they have been using this.
Message to our maestros. This evening was to celebrate your hard work, your vision, and your contribution to the industry. Thank you for inspiring us all. Thank you very much. I also want to thank our partners, sponsors, and supporters for helping us to put this event together. Your backing means a lot. To the organizing team, staff, and everyone working behind the scenes, thank you for your efforts in making this event smooth and successful. And finally, thank you all for here today. Your presence made this event meaningful and memorable. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your time and presence. Let's create more leaders, more maestros in near future. Thanks a lot.